I would love to demonstrate the newest technology in our microscopes. This is a world reveal of our new T50 microscope with a 4K 60 frames camera. That is an invention that have come to life through a more than 20 years cooperation with Sony that actually make us possible to be the first ones using Sony's new camera in the world. Another great addition to the new microscope is the motorized height adjustment. So we could move the height electronically, and that means that we can also, by software, measure the contrast in the image and make sure that the user always have the sharpest image. So we can actually adjust the height automatically without any intervention of the user. So they always have the crisp and clear picture. Another great thing is that you get it only in two parts. There's the base and then the rest. There's no tools needed for disassembling or assembling it. So it's very easy to assemble and disassemble. 2 minutes and you're up running with a complete standalone system with its own computer inside. Presenting our digital microscope is our SAP microscope. It's a full HD system. In this case, we've just mounted it on a cobot. A very simple mechanical interface. Through our API, it's possible for the integrator to communicate with the camera, to control it, to zoom in out. You can make very precise positions and angles, so you can really repeat where it wants to look again and again. So it's meant to an inline production, where you can have defined production steps where you want to inspect. If you put AI on top of that, it's very easy also due to the fact that they can communicate with our API, they can control the camera. So you can actually, by having it on a cobot, combined with our AI system, then you all of a sudden have a completely automated system.
The oven behind me is the 1936 MK7 full nitrogen machine with high volume aggressive cooling. New software package that we have with our new generation ovens. This oven is configured with single lane centerboard support. We have 10 zones of convection, 10 zones top, 10 zones bottom, and 3 internal cooling zones. And in between the final reflow and cooling, the exhaust goes through a flux separation system. And then we use the clean nitrogen, then we use that as the cooling medium of the product going through the oven.
The novel, or let's say benefit of the Hella vacuum system is that we are able to continue the thermal process through the convection zones and through the actual vacuum stage as well. We're the only company that is able to complete the thermal process from heating through vacuum and into cooling continuously, maintaining temperature on the product as part of the specification. So under vacuum, whether it's a cycle of 10 to 12 seconds or up to 60 seconds, we're able to maintain temperature of the product. We use convection heating up to the vacuum chamber, and inside the vacuum chamber we use IR heating to maintain process temperature to your board. The other benefit of this is the active heating within the vacuum chamber keeps the whole environment hot, which is very good to prevent flux buildup within the vacuum chamber itself.
Our main exhibit this year, our main focus this year is our new reflow shuttle. We're working on the new principle that we have a shuttle that's able to monitor the entire environment of the reflow oven. Not only are we measuring the traditional sensors, the temperature sensors through, top side, mass sensors, 9 temperatures in total. We're now measuring the O2 for nitrogen levels, the actual vibration of the whole shuttle, and vacuum level if customers want it. All able to be put through in one pass at full temperature in a working environment. All you need to do is to change the conveyor the right width, which is an instant change, and just simply press the one start button to run. All powered from our SLX logger.
I'm here to show you our new MBT 450, which is not yet out yet, but a little bit different from a lot of our other products. We're making this to be up with Industry 4.0. As you see, it has a digital touchscreen here. It has the capability of handling 4 different hand pieces. Our AccuDrive technology with our soldering iron, our mini tweezer, the SX100 desoldering handpiece, and then our new ThermoFlow Ultra inline voltage hot air handpiece.
Introducing the latest innovation on the trigger grip, which has been a very popular device for many years. So what we've done here is to reintroduce an addition, which is an adapter, which is on the top of the can, as you can see there. One of the main advantages is now that we can deactivate the can at the end of a shift, which is in reaction to feedback which we've received from the market. So we've received very good feedback so far at the show, and we look forward to a great end of Productronica.
So this is our new product. It's called Archimedes Smart Storage System, and is specially developed for stencils. We can customize the appearance of the shelf. It can hold up to 2 different shelves for stencil. And in this case, for the exposition, we broke just one for the vector guard and for regular frame stencil. The system is sensorized, exactly like the one that you use in our portfolio. We also put some glass doors to protect from dust and the environment, and the system is sensorized. So it means that every time there is a reel insertion or removal, the system will trigger a notification for the operator. When you want to insert a stencil inside, you just have to scan the unique identifier, and then you can place in whatever position you like. For our standard racks, we developed also the extender pack. Extender pack allow you to put 4 additional shelves on the top of your existing Archimedes system, expanding the maximum capabilities for 7-inch 8mm reels from 720 up to 960 reels in half square meter of footprint. This system is our Galileo incoming system. With a couple of clicks, you will be able to automatically identify the supplier part numbers and the information that are contained on the labels of the reel and do an automatic incoming of your reels. Galileo has also embedded the capability to automatically check if your delivered material is the same material that you ordered.
Mamy w tym roku premierę 2 nowych urządzeń. Wysokowydajny automat YRM20DL, który został we wtorek nagrodzony w kategorii High Volume Mounter, oraz drukarkę YRP10. Automat YRM20DL wyróżnia się bardzo wysoką wydajnością, najwyższą w swojej klasie, a z najwyższą w klasie precyzją montażu, osiągającą 15 mikrometrów. Automat oferuje najwyższą w klasie elastyczność, jeśli chodzi o pracę w trybie dual lane. Mianowicie jest w stanie obsłużyć PCB w rozmiarze 810×330 w trybie dual lane. Jest to najlepszy wynik w klasie. Yamaha Motor Robotics prezentuje również nową sitodrukarkę YRP10. Urządzenie wyróżnia się bardzo krótkim czasem cyklu do druku, bardzo wysoką powtarzalnością sięgającą 8 mikrometrów plus minus 6 sigma Poza tym urządzenie opcjonalnie może zostać wyposażone w funkcję automatycznego przezbrojenia produkcji całkowicie bez udziału operatora. W tym roku prezentujemy również zaktualizowaną wersję pakietu oprogramowania do analizy procesu produkcyjnego na całej linii SMT Yamaha YSUB Dashboard. Pakiet ten oferuje kompleksowe zbieranie informacji ze wszystkich procesów linii, począwszy od sitodrukarki poprzez inspekcję pasty, montaż powierzchniowy, kontrolę optyczną przed piecem, zarówno jak i po piecu. Co jest nowego w tym pakiecie? Mamy funkcję automatycznej analizy pick-up rate'u. Działa to w ten sposób, że dane analizowane są w sposób ciągły w tle i propozycje usprawnienia pick-up rate'u prezentowane są liderowi linii, operatorowi do linii. Jest też możliwość wysyłania komunikatów i zadań dla operatora, który jest odpowiedzialny za daną linię.